Kamusta po kayo? How's everybody? Did you miss my premiere? Alright, ito na. Susubukan kong ibuo ang aking premiere this time. So, dito kami sa anong lugar ng malapit lang sa amin. We call it Puentes Brotantes. Why they call it Puentes Brotantes, Melo?
This is like when the water comes.
Because there is like a fountain.
The water from the soil.
From the water, from the soil pala. So,
Okay.
dito may ano din, may kainan din dito. Yan, nakikita niyo maraming sasakyan kasi masarap ang weather dito. Marami kasing puno ng kahoy. Tapos masarap din yung pagkain nila. Like that one. Like Mexican food. And then kung gusto niyo ng ice cream, may ice cream din dito sa gilid-gilid. Ayan, hanap tayo ng kaparkingan. Lagi kami pumupunta rito. We're always coming here because I like it. I like the area and I like also the taste of the food. So, ayan, hanap kami ng dito what is? Ha? Entrance? Yeah, we've been here. I've been taking a video here and so I think you will recognize because up there is a lake. Let me try. So, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin mabuo tong premiere ko. Alright, so bababa na tayo.
Bring it from. We're gonna have to come back.
If you wanna come back here later, it's fine. Ako nahulog na. Akin sa mapon ay nahulog. How was it? It's it. Yeah, no? Ganda na. Ganda ng puno ng bulaklak. Only that?
And the other
You didn't bring anything?
Is the other one.
Oh.
I'm just leaving.
So, babalik tayo doon sa kainan guys. Doon tayo kakain. Kaya nandito sila dito. May mga palabas sila dito. Who's that? Here's rehearsal. I think. Yeah, malapit na po ang election dito sa Mexico. June 2, right? June 2 is the election. So, baba tayo. Punta tayo doon sa kainan. Maganda dito kasi may park din na pwede nyo dadalhin yung mga bata. Pwede kayo magpatlak dito, mag-picnic, gano'n. Kasi, nasa taas. Hindi siya masyadong mainit. Dahil maraming puno ng kahoy. Tapos yung ibang sasakyan dito, dinadala nila dito kasi naghuhugas sila. Pinapaliguan nila yung sasakyan nila. Wala na sasakyan namin, ang dumi-dumi ng aming sasakyan. Tapos yung mga traditional product in Mexico we have here also. It's like a small tourist spot, this area, right?
Yeah. One of many. Remember the pyramid?
Small area for tourist spot. You think their ice cream is good?
I'm gonna try it.
Noises. Why there is Nescafe?
We'll try it, but not good.
Nescafe. Nescafe. Ayan. So may kami dito, may suki kami dito na kinakainan. Hindi kami pumunta sa ibang kinakainan kasi may suki kami. Ayan. Diyan po kami kumakain. Lagi. Dito na-try namin dito kaya lang hindi namin nagustuhan. So dito talaga yung aming binabalik-balikan. That's their food and that's yummy. And their tortilla is homemade so it's very delicious. And since dinala ko yung anak ko dito, maliit pa siya, ngayon lumaki na. As you can see, maraming kumakain. Pag nakikita niyo na ang restaurant ay maraming kumakain, means masarap po yung pagkain nila. Hindi ko po magsisisi sa kanilang mga decoration. And makikita mo kung paano nila ginagawa. Ayun, open po siya. So, ayan, mag-order na tayo. Ito po yung menu nila. Angelica Maria Noy Amor Mascoro Sincero. Ito po yung kanilang menu. So, as you can see, the prices is $30. And pastry, dessert. There's the dessert, and those this is my carrot juice. My son have a orange juice and mango.
No.
This is what I ordered. This with corn mushroom with cheese. So let's try. What I put? Salt? Right? Put the salt. And bit of sauce. Asal.
Like that.
This is it's a mushroom soup. It's not more cheese, just a little. Those are cheese tacos. Ay, quesadilla pa lang. It's a beef cecina.
Salty.
It's salty taste. So yan guys, tapos na po kami kumain ng brunch, breakfast and lunch. Daming aso. What she say?
There's dancing right now. There's a paint exposition later.
Oh, that's the one that we saved there.
Yeah, maybe.
So, where is the water? Are you okay, Malang?
Yeah, just a little paint. It's like much up.
There, Michael.
Oh, this is too low. No problem. Let's go down.
I wanna bring the car.
No, because then we don't find a place to park. That's the same.
Okay. Let's go.
We'll just go park.
It's far, my love. It's near in the rock.
I go get the car. You wait for me here.
Okay. Look at the way he walks. It's not straight. Nakuha niya yung sasakyan at maghanap kami ng ano. Hindi, ano siya dito? Maghanap kami ng tubig na malakas umagos. Malakas ang agos ng tubig. Ayun. Parang gabi yan, oh. Ano? Di ba guys? Sa probinsya, kuha tayo ng ano ng gabi. Yung leaves gawing, ano ba yan? Ano ba yung may ginagawa sa leaves ng, ha? What? Yeah, but the water is down there. What, are you going to come in here?
This time, water there.
But it's close.
Water or what?
Over there, you know, in the river, like a river, a small one. Yung bang dried gabi leaves, anong ginagawa nun? Nakalimutan ko, ano bang luto yun? Meron yun eh. Ano, gabi yan. Sa tubig. Ano nga ba yun? Ay, masarap yun pag, lalo na pag niluluto siya na may gata. Coconut cream. Na kami umakyat sa itaas guys kasi gusto ko magpahinga. At si Abby din kailangan magpahinga dahil may pasok na kami bukas. Maganda dito lalo na pag ganitong oras. Mainit tapos punta ka dito, masarap yung weather. Nakuha ko na lang yung sasakyan kasi medyo malayo yung lakarin namin dun sa baba. Gusto ko magpatlak dito eh. Pagdala ng pagkain. Ganon. Tapos, upo na lang. May naman sa taas, may kiosk naman or like a waiting shed. Like those people bringing food and then you can eat up there. Oh, di ba masarap ang simoy ng hangin? Ayan. Mga aso lang ang naglalaro dito sa tubig na to. Dito na siya. Ito ba? Saan ba? Pa-park. Is it leaking? Is it leaking? It's leaking the oil?
I have a little spot, and maybe it's from the one that I dropped. So I still need to check.
Yeah, it's standing out.
There's no wind.
You bring it over there. Pull it.
You pull it.
Ginawa niya yan guys. Yung baruto.
It floats pretty good.
There's fishes oh. Small fish. A lot of baby fish, my love. Hilain mo. Papunta doon. Daming ginamos guys. Oh. Ginamos. Pampulutan to. Alright, medyo mainit. Nalagyan nila nito ng yellow cord kasi yung mga bata naliligo dito. Nag-swimming na sila. Kasi sobrang init. na nga guys. Hanggang dito na lang ang ating short video. Yan, thank you so much sa mga nanonood. At shout out sa mga andito. Thank you so much for always there and good luck. Thank you. See you around in Whitey World. God bless. Bye-bye.